Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We have this fantastic product. It is a collapsible rocker that you can use just about anywhere. Now I love that it folds up, you can carry it around, and this is going to be perfect for your outdoors experience. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. Now first and foremost, I love that this thing is so convenient and easy to set up right out of the box. Then once you get it, it's good to go. Push down right here, and you've got a nice little rocking chair. All right? Now, once it's set up like this, very easy, straightforward. That was right out of the box. And then when you want to carry it around, it's just going to be that easy. Sturdy. This has an incredible ability to take some significant weight. So the load capacity on this is great. Now I'm gonna bring it around so you can take a look with me as I sit on it. But one of the best aspects to this, obviously, is that it's got these great little pockets, zipper, water bottles, maybe a larger bottle here. And then on the other side, let me show you what we have over here. All right, move you to the other side. We have a zipper pocket, and this is fantastic as well. And this appears to be a little insulated. Could be a nice place for snacks and colder items. Big pocket too, that's nice. Now, it is a luxury material, and let's go ahead and show you the rocking motion. Folks, I have to say I absolutely love this, and we're gonna give you 5 reasons why it is such a fantastic chair. Now, first off, it does have the rubberized rear here that's going to grip on to make sure it doesn't slide back, but also to keep it from scratching up your surfaces. I'm using mine on my lanai, and I don't want my lanai scratched. Very nice. Second, I love that this is a quick drying cooling material right here. This mesh is fantastic, easy to wipe down, easy to wash, and durable. You're not gonna have to worry about sun damage or anything like that. This is a thick and sturdy material. Third, I gotta show you the overall structure on this. This is a heavy duty design, and the structure and frame is second to none. If you're looking for something strong and able to support, it's fantastic. Now, I'm 220 pounds, I'm a bigger guy. There's still a lot of space between me and the edges, right? Which is nice. I can put on a few pounds and I'm still going to be able to sit in here. It's deceptively wide of a chair that really fits. Next, I gotta show you again how easy it is to set this thing up and how easy it is to take down, right? 1, 2, just pull up here, and this thing is good to go to travel. Easy and lightweight, even has a little zipper here, and of course, has a carrying handle where you can throw it over your shoulder. That night makes it nice too. You got the parade or you're going out to the lake, this is a fantastic chair for you. Of course, I love the cup holder. I love the variety of pockets, and I love the ease of setup, right? Just push down, it locks into place, and you're good to go, folks. So if you're looking for something that's really fantastic, this is my favorite. I absolutely love it. It's durable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. Isn't that nice looking, folks? Let's go ahead and turn it around so you can see it. Get a different angle. And what a great design. The carrying strap does adjust accordingly, and it says Fundango originated in Hungary. See, young guys get together at the same time for outdoor sports, and they wanted something that would be perfect for their day. It was a fantastic team today, and they thought this would be absolutely perfect, and it is. All right, folks, I love that it can take some weight. You can jump onto it and put my full 200 plus pound frame into it without any issue, and I can relax. I can kick back and enjoy the Florida sun in my rocker. This is great if you've got 4th of July coming up. This is great for an occasion where people are visiting the house, maybe Christmas, you need a couple of extra chairs around the house that'll collapse. And this is so comfortable, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. I'm a big, big fan. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Let me show you the up close one more time. You can see how easy. These great pockets with the Velcro. Big pockets right here. Put my water bottle on this lower one. It's a good sized pocket, right? I can put my whole hand in there if I need to. All right, folks, again, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you our favorite products, the best of the best, so you can forget the rest. And guess what? This one's gonna be perfect if you're out at the lake, in the yard, or just relaxing on your porch. This is a fantastic product for you and me. All right, don't you dare miss it. You won't be disappointed. Goodbye, my friends.